If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter login error, attestation denied, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back into your account. This usually happens because X's security system is having trouble verifying your browser, device, or network. So we're going to clean up the most common causes first. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software and tech fixes. Now let's jump in. First, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. On a Windows PC, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. When the Clear Browsing Data window opens, make sure you select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Set the time range to all time if possible, then click Clear Data. Once that's done, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try signing in to X again. A lot of the time, old cookies or corrupted session files are enough to trigger this login error. If that does not work, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy tools, and anti-tracking add-ons can interfere with the security checks X uses during login. Open your extension menu from the puzzle icon or from your browser settings. Turn off anything that blocks ads, hides your traffic, or changes how websites track your browser. After disabling them, refresh X and try logging in again. If it works, you can re-enable your extensions one at a time to figure out which one caused the problem. Another great test is to open X in an incognito or private window. This is useful because private mode usually starts with a clean session and can bypass some extension conflicts. In Chrome, click the three dots and choose New Incognito window. In Edge, choose New in Private window. Then go to X and attempt the login again. If the error disappears in private mode, that strongly suggests your normal browser profile is the issue, not your account itself. If you're still getting attestation denied, check whether your network or VPN is causing the issue. X may block certain VPNs, proxies, or unusual IP addresses because they can look suspicious to its anti-bot system. Try turning off your VPN if you're using one. If you're on Wi-Fi, you can also switch to mobile data or another network just to test. Sometimes simply changing networks is enough to get the login working again. If you can access your account on your phone, there is one more powerful fix. Add a security key or passkey. On mobile, go to Settings and Privacy, then Security and Account Access, then Security. From there, open Manage Passkeys and follow the prompts to create one. A passkey adds a stronger verification method and can help override repeated login verification problems on your PC. Once it's set up, try using that same account on your desktop browser again. It's also a good idea to check whether X is having a service issue in your area. Visit Downdetector and search for X or Twitter. If you see a spike in reports, the problem may not be on your device at all. In that case, the best fix is usually to wait and try again later. Finally, if nothing has worked yet, try a different browser entirely. For example, if you've been using Chrome, test Edge, or Safari, or the other way around. A fresh browser install can sometimes bypass a corrupted profile or stuck login session. And if you're on a work device or school network, that environment may have restrictions that cause the attestation denied error. So testing from a personal device can help confirm that. So to recap, the main fixes are clearing cache and cookies, disabling extensions, trying incognito mode, checking your VPN or network, adding a passkey, and confirming whether X is experiencing an outage. One of those usually solves the problem. If this video helped you fix the x.com login error, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.